Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, the 28th of June. Showing you what's going on. We are not going to have Russell this week, so it will be me heading most of the videos, if not all the videos. I'll do my best to make sure that we record for you and get something out to you every day. Yesterday or over the weekend, we didn't put the GoPro on the charger, so instead of going to the showroom, I'll have Nico come out here shortly. But just to kind of get you up to speed on what's going on, I'll be sending a machete out to Engrave It Houston. I've got to send an email out with that, and then I will be into next month's, which is July's custom and refurbs. I will bring those to you this week sometime as I continue to go through them, and then helping out Josh and the new guy that we have in right now. That will be the main thing, making sure we don't burn the shop down, so Russell can come back to the shop. But other than that, I'll have Nico come over here. We'll see what's new in the showroom. Hey, Nico.
Yo, what's up?
What's up, buddy? So what do we have today?
We got the new Buck Slim 110 and 112s, but now they got torque screws, so you can break them down and take them apart.
Yeah. So we've really been wanting these in so we can take these apart and kind of look at them. This will allow us to customize them in the future. We got a couple of them in, so we're just kind of checking them out, getting a feel of them. They just came in, so they should be online here in a minute. Otherwise, that's pretty much wrapped up for what we got today, guys. Make sure you're liking, subscribing. This is just the start of the week, so hopefully we'll bring you some more stuff later on. Well, we will. I'm not going to say hopefully. Other than that, we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hey everyone, it is not the morning. I apologize. I've been having GoPro issues, so we are shooting to you in the showroom because this charger is the only one that seems to be letting the GoPro stay on. So, without further ado, to catch up with what's going on in my world, I have been working on these small knives and their Kydex sheaths. As you can see, I've got a variety of Kydex that I am using for these knives. They will be neck knives in general. I will try and get these done and taken care of. I've also been working with Josh on a couple of knives that he will be sharpening and getting ready for stock as well. And then the new guy has gotten some of my knives for next month's customs ready. I appreciate that. That is the majority of my day that went on, as again, it's not going to be the majority of what goes on today because we're already towards the end of it. But that is me and what all that went on. I'm going to shoot it over to Nico without walking too far because we're right here. Hey, buddy.
What's up?
Oh, man, this is horrible. What do we got today?
We got some Benchmade 535-3 bug outs, which are the S90V with carbon fiber. And then it has that little aluminum backspacer that they don't typically come with. So we got some more of those in stock. We should have some more Benchmades on the way. They're launching some new products. So yeah.
Look guys, I apologize for this one. If you have any complaints, put them in the comments. Other than that, y'all, that's the day for us. We're gonna hope that this thing charges and we'll have some photos or some video for you tomorrow. But that'll be it. Thank you for watching, if you're watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.